In this video, I will give you a basic idea of IoT, ThingSpeak, a free IoT platform to build your projects. I will show you how to set up your channel and programming of the NodeMCU. But first, if you are new here, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Open any browser and search for ThingSpeak. Open its website. If you don't have an account, sign up for one. I have my account, so I am just signing in. After signing in, click on Create Channel. Give any name to the channel you wish to give and write description of it if you want. Then click on Save Channel. So here is your private view. This is the board we are gonna use. It has Wi-Fi capabilities and a potentiometer as a sensor. Place the potentiometer and make a connection between the middle pin of the potentiometer and the A0 of the NodeMCU with VCC and ground. Connect NodeMCU to the computer for programming. Again, go to the private view and copy the channel ID. This is the code that uploads the data of a variable to ThingSpeak. Here, this is my Wi-Fi SSID and password. You should type yours, replacing the previous channel ID with the new one. Again, go to the ThingSpeak site and copy the right API key and paste in the code. Confirm the configurations and upload the code to the board. See, the data is updated. The variable I holds the data that is to be updated. If I just replace the variable with a value, let's say 15, and upload the code, the value will get appear at the private view. Now the value will be 1000. If you enjoyed the video, please appreciate by subscribing.